Ready or not, the state test is coming. Whether you are right on schedule with all the standards or if you're running a little behind, hello, me, or if you're somewhere in between, if you are struggling to figure out how to fit prepping in for your state math test, then keep watching because I am spilling my secrets. If you're a middle school math teacher, you are in the right place. If you're new around here, my name is Kathy Martin and I help 6th, 7th, 8th grade and Algebra 1 math teachers experience more aha moments with their students and save time and money with their lesson planning and resources. One of the biggest, most effective ways that I review for my state testing and keep up with my current curriculum is to use stations or small group rotations. It can be so effective because really one of the biggest ways that this is effective is because it allows me to review prior concepts. And isn't that the whole point of test review, is that we are working through old prior concepts that maybe we haven't seen in a while, maybe we haven't practiced in a while, and doing this in a stations format really lets students do this naturally. It's not like we are taking time out of out of our regularly scheduled program to test prep. It is just part of how our every day, every week classroom is run. Two, the second reason why I love using stations as a means for test prep and keeping up with my regular curriculum is I get to work with students in a small group to either reteach or to enrich. And that is the beauty of test prepping of stations, because my students are already working in different small groups and I can pull very specific groups of students of who I need to work with or who I want to work with in a way that, again, it's just part of the station rotation. They don't even know, they don't understand the reason why we're doing what we're doing in my small group. It's just what we do because I've trained them in a way where they're doing what they're doing at their station. I'm doing what I'm doing at my station with my students, and we're moving and grooving, and there's just so much power in that. And three, the reason why I love using stations as test prep and to keep up with my current curriculum is I get to really get creative. I can allow students to create questions or a game as review. I can allow students to quiz each other. I can allow students to work together or not. You know, that is the power of stations, is because you get to really kind of do whatever you want to do in your stations. As long as your students are trained to do it, it totally works. It's smooth and it's seamless. And I get to prep for the state test without them really realizing that they're prepping for state testing. And all the while, I get to keep up with my current curriculum as well. If you want to learn how to easily and effectively implement small group rotations or stations in your classroom, please come join us for our next free training where I'm going to show you everything you need to make stations easy and realistic so that you can get started right away. Not only is it easy, and you'll be able to start implementing, but you'll also be able to print a certificate for 1 hour of professional development. And who doesn't love that? You can grab the sign up link in the description box below and sign up for our next date and time that is convenient for you. Until next time, bye for now.